Welcome to the review Motorola Moto G13, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to connected devices. Tap then click to connection preferences and you'll see NFC section. Just to turn on or turn off the NFC, we should use this switcher. And if you want to show the NFC icon in status bar when this option is activated, you should tap to this checkbox. Now we can see that the NFC option successfully activated, and here when we'll just turn off the switcher, we can see that it's gone. So this means that's turned off. So if you want to change the contactless payment, just click here to this section and you can switch your default payment to Google Pay app to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.